that a good chip?
Can you walk to Dad?
Come here. Annika.
She's got a chip in her mouth.
Come here.
He's gonna make her walk when she's got a chip in her mouth.
Good walking. Oh, good. Keep coming. Oh, nice job. Can you say bye?
Bye.
Oh, you're right back up. Right back up.
How good.
Yeah.
Look.
You're doing good. Whoa.
Stand up. Whoa, good job.